In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Clickbank affiliate program. By the end, you'll have your affiliate account set up and be ready to explore offers you can promote for commissions. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Clickbank into the search bar. In the results, look for the official listing that reads Clickbank, Top Affiliate Marketing Programs, and click it. This ensures you're on the real site and not a lookalike. Once the Clickbank homepage loads, scroll down until you see the section for affiliates and select it. If you're on mobile, you may need to open the menu first, then scroll to find the affiliates option. On the affiliates page, click the button that says Start Here. Sometimes a setup or customization overlay appears with a message about personalizing your experience. If you see that, choose the option to skip the quick start guide so you can go directly to the account creation form. Now you're on the sign up page. Begin by selecting your country from the drop-down. Pick the country where you actually reside because it can determine available payment options and local requirements. Next, enter your first name and last name. Use your real information and ensure it matches your identification details to avoid potential account issues later. Enter your phone number in the format requested. If the field calls for it, be sure to include the correct country code. Then create a strong password. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Storing it in a secure password manager is a good practice. Add your email address. Choose an inbox you check regularly, since Clickbank may send important notifications about your account and performance. Before moving on, take a moment to review the terms and conditions. It's worth understanding what you're agreeing to, including how commissions work and any guidelines for promoting offers. When you're comfortable, tick the box confirming you've read and agree to the terms. Finally, click Join Affiliate. The system will process your information and create your account. From here, you'll be able to access the affiliate area, browse the marketplace, and get familiar with the tools available to you. That's it. Simple and straightforward. You searched for the official site, navigated to the affiliates page, skipped the optional quick start, filled out your details accurately, agreed to the terms, and joined. If you found this helpful, go ahead and complete your profile and explore the marketplace next so you can start choosing products to promote.